Morning everyone, and welcome to today's trading analysis on the 26th of November 2021. So I must say we are sitting with a scary week at the moment. Red 2 candle on the weekly scale just below the red one of last week are just holding above the support at the moment, which is $57,900. At least this is a hammer looking candle, so if we can close anywhere in this region now, hopefully that will be the pullback for now. Closing below this wick will be very negative. On the daily scale, you can see that we are still in this, or it looks like we are forming a falling wedge. Could potentially end up down here at $52,000 and then break out. On the 4-hour scale, you can see this is a little clearer, and as you can see, we are just holding above the support line. The best case scenario would be right now for us to just break out here and go up and spare us the trauma over the weekend. At the moment, the funding rate is starting to get more longs versus shorts again, so it is getting to the place where more liquidations are possible. This is not in the danger zone yet, but I would have wanted it to be a little bit longer down here before eventually more people are getting bullish again. When you're looking at the on-chain analysis, you can see during this price drop over the last month, you can see that the supply on the exchanges are still dropping, and it's testament that if you look over the last 2 weeks, that the most amounts of cash is actually, crypto is actually moving off exchanges. In the last 4 days, there's been a tremendous amount of crypto leaving exchanges. XRP on a weekly scale is now trading just below the 21 moving average. A close below this and a close below that wick will be negative, same as on Bitcoin. On the one day chart, you can see that it is starting to form a little bit of a divergence. Almost looks like it's tapering out now, and it looks like it is really finding support in this area right now. 4-hour chart, this falling wedge that XRP is forming, there's a clear divergence, making lower lows on the price with higher lows on the RSI, which is bullish, and hopefully this will give us our upside target of $1.25, taking us out of this danger zone. The US dollar has been absolutely on a monster run the last week or so. It has hit a resistance zone, and hopefully now a little bit of a pullback over the next month, just to come and retest the breakout zone here. If that happens, that would give enough, I would say almost like enough air or space for crypto to have its last sort of rally, and then early next year I would expect the dollar to keep on strengthening to mid next year. S&P is still trading close to all-time highs. It's at this moment still trading on a higher low with lower lows on the RSI. On the bot trading front, parameters of 30 minutes with a 70 sell RSI and a 30 buy RSI still seems to be the best. At this point, you would have bought around this area, sold around that area, bought around this area, sold around that area. It would have been one lost trade actually in there. But at this stage, even in this declining market, it seems like the bot trading is making small gains. XRP versus Bitcoin. XRP is still trailing in this falling wedge. You can see that hopefully now we will have some sort of a little bit of upside and then a breakout. That will be very good for XRP. XRP has been taking a hammering during this period. In conclusion, all eyes watching on the US dollar. As long as the US dollar is rising, crypto is going to take a beating. If the US dollar can stabilize now or possibly pull back a little bit, that would be the catalyst for our last little bit of a bull rally. Hopefully we can have a bit more positive action today so that we don't have a dreadful weekend. If you like this content, please like and subscribe or follow us on Twitter. Thank you very much.